Hey guys, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we're going to do the camera review of Asus Zenfone 4, the 4.5-inch variant that's also called as A450 CG. So this variant comes with a couple of interesting features, or rather upgrades when compared to the Asus Zenfone 4, the 4-inch variant. So first up, it has a bigger display, that's a 4.5-inch display. The resolution remains more or less same. Then you have a 8 megapixel camera on this device, and it also comes with a flash. So flash was missing on the 4-inch variant. Now the company has added a flash to this device. So this is the 4.5-inch variant, and this is an 8 megapixel camera when compared to the 5 megapixel camera on the Zenfone 4. So we'll have a quick look at the camera interface, the photo quality, and also decide whether it's a really worthy upgrade when compared to the Asus Zenfone 4. So as you can see, the interface is very much similar to the Asus Zenfone 4, the 4-inch variant. So you can see here, this runs NUI with Android 4.4 KitKat. So even though this has KitKat, there isn't much of a change with respect to the interface. So the first button is the enabling the flash. Then you have the option to switch to front facing camera. Yes, this device comes with front facing camera when compared to no front facing camera option on the Zenfone 4. Then you also have filters, so you can select filters. Quite a lot of filters are included. You can see that there is grayscale, negative sepia. You can also have a few other filters. So when you select a particular filter, it's directly applicable to the viewfinder, so you don't have to take the photo and then select the photos to see the filters. So you can directly apply filters onto the viewfinder, so you can see that option. At the bottom you have the settings. So you have settings arranged into the camera settings, the video settings, and the general settings. So under camera settings you have the normal set of options, including white balance, ISO, exposure, optimization there. Camera resolution, you can set the maximum to 8 megapixel. Then you can also select 6, 5, 4 and lower resolutions. Then you have anti-shake enhancement. Image quality standard you can set as fine. Then shooting mode, so you can select a touch shutter. Then self timer is there, burst mode is there, focus and exposure. Under that you have the smart focus. Continue to autofocus is also there. So face detection is also included. And then under the videos you also have a white balance, exposure values. You can select the video quality from full HD to HD or the SD format, the 480p. So this device records videos in full HD, that's 1080p resolution. You also have video stabilizations and then touch exposure. Then apart from that you also have other options like burst review, shutter animation, and quite a few options. These are general options available on the other phone as well, and you can also reset the phone the camera settings to default value. So those are the options under settings. So quite a lot of settings are available to customize your photos. So those things are almost carried over from the original Asus Zenfone 4. Now you can see here, if you click on the right side, you can see the different set of modes. You have the auto mode, time rewind, HDR is there, panorama, night mode, low light. Then you have selfie mode, miniature, depth of field, beautification, a smart mode, all smiles, and GIF animation. So these modes are also available on the other phone, the Asus Zenfone phone. So those are carried over from the other phone as well. And then you have the capture button. So you have the video capture as well as the normal photo capture. And one good thing about this camera is that whenever you take a picture in particular condition, the camera automatically detects the condition and suggest you the modes which you can select. Say for example, if you're shooting photos in low light mode, then the camera automatically suggests you that you might have to select the low light mode to get better photos. Say for example, now it's suggesting the HDR mode. Based on the conditions, light conditions, a particular mode is automatically suggested for you. If the photo doesn't go into that mode, you need to manually select the mode, but the camera suggests a particular mode whenever you're taking photos. Then on the top you have the option to view the photos. So the interface wise, this phone is exactly similar to the Asus Zenfone 4 with Android 4.3 Jelly Bean and Zen UI. So now let's go ahead and check out the camera sample. So that's more important. This is an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. So here are the daylight samples. So as you can see from the daylight samples, the colors are much better than the Zenfone 4 variant, that the 5 megapixel camera. The colors have come pretty good, much more accurate than the 5 megapixel shooter. So you can see these are some of the photos we took, and the colors are pretty much sharper, and even the images have better clarity when compared to the 5 megapixel camera. So the daylight photos, there is definitely pretty much improvement when compared to the 5 megapixel shooter on the other Asus Zenfone 4. The quality is definitely improved, but then it's still not up to the mark of Redmi 1S, which has excellent colors and sharpness and contrast ratios when we tested the device. Now here are some of the photos taken in low light, so check out these photos as well. So as I said before, whenever you take photos in low light, the camera automatically suggests you to enable the low light mode. So we have taken a couple of photos with low light mode. This is one photo we've taken with low light mode. So you can see here there is a lot of softening happening in the processing, and the images go blurred. So there's a lot of noise as well. So overall the clarity in the low light mode is not that great, but still it does capture photos. They are not really great, but for a phone in the price range of around 7K, this is pretty decent performance. So here's another photo taken in low light. This is again taken with flash. This photo is taken in low light mode. Again, this is again in low light mode. You can see that a lot of softening happening to the photos, and the same photo we have taken without low light, so the low light mode. So that has come much better than the low light mode. But having said that, there are some situations where we need to enable the low light to get better photos. So this is almost the same photo taken without the low light mode, and it has come pretty decent. Now you can see here the phone allows video capture mode in 1080p. So here is a sample, and you can see the sample is pretty good. The video recording capabilities of this device is really good for this price point. So that's the camera review of the Asus Zenfone 4, the 8 megapixel unit with LED flash. So overall there is a real great improvement when compared to the Asus Zenfone 4 with 5 megapixel camera and no flash. So if you're looking for if you're looking to buy Asus Zenfone 4, better you go for the 4.5-inch variant. There's just 1K difference. For that you get a 8 megapixel shooter with LED flash. You have a bigger screen, and also KitKat update out of the box. So that's the camera review of Asus Zenfone 5 4.5-inch variant. If you have any specific queries, just drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your queries. We have already uploaded the camera sample of this device, so check out that sample as well. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do hit the like buttons, and don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.